Hello students, in previous lecture we have seen definition of binary operations, commutativity, associativity and existence of inverse, existence of identity. So in this lecture we will see examples. So let's see first the binary operation star is defined on Q is defined on Q by A star B is equal to A into B plus 1 for all AB belongs to Q. Check whether star is commutative and star is associative. So we have seen in previous lecture, so if star is commutative then it satisfies the property A star B will be same as B star A, and associativity property is if there exist three elements then A star B star C is same as A star B star C. So A star B star C means what? First solve this bracket and solving this we get another element which apply again with C. After solving LHS is equal to RHS, then we say that it satisfies associative property. Now let's see given binary operation A star B is equal to A into B plus 1 satisfy or which is commutative or associative. Let's check this solution. To check commutative property or commutativity, so I will take two elements A, B which belongs to Q. So to check A star B is equal to B star A, right? So let's consider A star B. So A star B is multiplication of these two plus 1. So A into B plus 1, right? And B star A. So B star A is not. So A star B is A into B means so A B. So A into B plus 1. So B star A is B into A plus 1. So what is A star B? A star B is so multiplication of these two numbers plus 1. So B star A is multiplication of these two numbers. So B into A plus 1. So therefore, so B into A and A into B will be same. So what we say? A star B is equal to B star A. So both the values are same. Means what? A star B is same as B star A. Means for all A B belongs to Q. So operation star is commutative because it satisfies the property A star B is equal to B star A. Now let's check associative property, which is, so what is associative property? A star B star C is same as A star B star C. Means first solve this bracket and this with C is same as A star B star C. So let's check. So consider three elements. So let A, B, C belongs to set of rational number. Now consider A star B star C. So first solve this bracket. So we know that A star B is same as A into B plus 1. So A star B means product of these two plus 1. So A into B plus 1 star C. So again here we have two elements. So we know that if A and B are two elements, then this can be represented as product of these two plus 1. So A into B plus 1, this is first element and C is the second element. So by using this property we get product of these two elements. So a into b plus 1 into c plus 1. So after solving, a into b into c plus 1. So which is LHS. And so what is RHS? A star b star c is equal to a star. So solving this, so b star c, so a star b is nothing but a into b plus 1, so b star c, so product of these two numbers plus 1, so which is product of b into c plus 1. Again here we have these two numbers, so we know that the definition or defined function a star b is product of these two number plus 1. So here again a is the first element, b into c plus 1 is the second element. So by using this property we will get product of these two numbers a into b c plus 1 plus 1, right? So after solving this we will get a into b into c plus a plus 1. So here a star b plus a star b star c, which is value a b c plus c plus 1, and a star in bracket b star c has value a into b into c plus a plus c. So here is value c and here is value a. So what we say, therefore a star b star c is not equal to a star b star c, because so here c and a not equal. If a and c are equal, then this is associative, right? So if a not equal to c, if a and c are different values, then this is not associative. Now if a and c are equal, then this is associative. So what we say, star is not associative on set of rational number, right? So let's see another number, another example. So this is another example. Is the operation star defined by a star b is equal to a raised to b well defined on natural number? If yes, check whether it is commutative and associative. Now here first check it is well defined, means star is binary operation or not. So here a b belongs to natural number, then a and b belongs to natural number, then obviously we say that a raised to b also belongs to natural number. So if a b belongs to natural number, then obviously what we say, obviously a raised to b also belongs to natural number. Therefore the operation a star b is equal to a raised to b is well defined. Hence the given operation is, so what is given operation? A star b is equal to a raised to b is well defined. Well defined means star is binary operation, right? So here to check whether it is commutative. Now to check commutativity, so what is commutativity property? So commutative property is a star b is same as b star a. If this condition means both are equal, then we say that star is commutative. So here consider a star b. So a star b, so what is a star b? A star b is a raised to b, so a star is a raised to b, and b star a is equal to, so a star b is, so a is on base and b is the power. So here b star a will be, b is on base and a is the power of b. So here a star b is a raised to b and b star a is b raised to a, because here first a, then we will take here, then we get here b star a, b will take here b raised to a. But here what we get here, A star B is A raised to B and B star A is B raised to A. So if A is equal to B, then it satisfies. But if A is not equal to B, then A star B is not same as B star A, right? So therefore, if A is not equal to B, then what we say that A star B is not equal to B star A, because here A raised to B not same as B raised to A, right? Whenever this condition satisfies, if A is not equal to B, and if A is equal to B, then obviously A raised to A and A raised to A will be same, right? So here what we get, A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, hence operation star is not commutative. Operation star is not commutative, right? Because if 2 3 belongs to set of natural number, then 2 star 3 will be 2 raised to 3, and 2 raised to 3 has value 8, and 3 star 2 which is same as 3 raised to 2, and 3 raised to 2 has value 9. So 8 not equal to 9, right? So what we say, A star B is not equal to B star A, means star is not commutative. Now let's check associativity property. So for associative, now to check associativity property, now to check associativity, now for that I will take 3 elements. Let's take 2 1 3 which belongs to natural number. Now consider 2 star 1 star 3 is equal to, by using this definition, A star B is A raised to B. So 2 star 1 is 2 raised to 1 star 3. So 2 raised to 1 is 2 star 3. So 2 star 3. So A star B is A raised to B. So 2 star 3 is 2 raised to 3, which is 8. And next RHS 2 star 1 star 3 is equal to, so here 2 star, so 1 star 3 is nothing but 1 raised to 3, so which is 2 star 1 raised to 3 is 1. Now again 2 star 1, so A star B is A raised to B, so 2 star 1 is 2 raised to 1, which is 2. So here 2 is not equal to 8, because here 2 star 1 star 3 has value 8, 2 star 1 star 3 which has value 2, so 2 is not equal to 8, means what? Means what we say, A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C, means therefore star is not associative. Means the given defined operation A star B is equal to A raised to B, which is not commutative as well as it is not associative, right? Let's see another example. Define binary operation. Star on set of positive rational numbers. So Q plus is set of non-zero or positive rationals. So C star, so Q star is set of non-zero rationals as defined by A star B is equal to A into B upon 2 for all AB belongs to Q star. So first show that star is commutative. Second, show that star is associative. Third, find identity element. And third, last, find inverse of each element. inverse of each element. So let's see the solution. So we have given a star b is equal to a into b upon 2 for all a and b are set of non-zero rationals. So here which is given binary operation. Now to show it is commutative, now first consider a star b. So a star b is defined by a into b upon 2. So here a into b, ab belongs to set of non-zero rational, then it can be written as b into a upon 2. So a into b can be written as b into a, and b into a, so a star b is a into b, so b into a can be written as b star a. So therefore a star b is equal to b star a, means what? Star is commutative. Second, to show star is associative. So consider, I will take 3 elements, so a, b, c, which belongs to set of non-zero rationals. Then consider first a star b star c, which is equal to, so a star b has value a into b upon 2 star c. So again a star b, so if I have two elements a star b, then this which is product a into b upon 2. So here a into b by 2, and here second element is c. So by definition a star b is product of these two elements divided by 2. So a into b upon 2 star c, which is product of these two elements divided by 2. So we get a into b c upon 2. So we get a into b by 2 into c divided by 2. So after solving we will get a into b into c divided by 4, which is LHS, and RHS is a star b star c. So by using definition, so a is as it is, so b star c has value b into c upon 2. Then again using this definition, a star b is product of these two elements divided by 2. So here a star b c upon 2, which is product of a into b into c by 2 divided by 2. So after solving we will get a into b into c divided by 4. So here a star b star c, it has value a into b into c by 4, and a star bracket b star c has value a into b into c upon 4. Means what? A star b star c is equal to a star b star c, means both are equal, means what? Star is associative. Now third one, find identity element in set of non-zero rational number under defined operation a star b is equal to a into b upon 2. So third number, show that to find identity element. Now let for all a belongs to set of non-zero rational number, then there exists identity belongs to non-zero rational number such that we have the property, if AB any non-zero number belongs to that set, then E is the identity such that A star E is equal to A. This is the definition for identity. A star E is equal to A, then E is the identity name. To find out identity, so A star B is defined by A into B by 2. So we replace B by E in this equation. So we will get, so A star B E, so B has value E, so A into E upon 2 is equal to A. So by using cancellation law, what will we get? So A will get cancelled, so finally we will get E is equal to 2. So E is equal to is identity element. is equal to is identity element. Now to find out inverse, so here identity is 2, D to find inverse, now for by using definition of inverse, so for all A belongs to Q star, then there exists, so to find inverse, so then there exists B belongs to Q star, so B is an inverse, then inverse of A, say B which belongs to Q star such that A star B is equal to identity. So here what is identity here? 2, right? So and A star B is defined by, A star B is nothing but A into B, so we will write A into B upon 2, and E has value 2, right? So which is equal to 2. So after solving this value for B, so we will get A into B, so 2 is divided, so we will take on right hand side, which is equal to 4. Therefore B is equal to, so here A is multiplied, so we will take on other side, so B is equal to 4 upon A, so B is equal to 4 upon A, which again belongs to Q star. Therefore B is equal to 4 upon A is inverse element of A. So here first star is commutative, star is associative, so identity element E is equal to 2 is the identity element, and inverse, so inverse of A is 4 by A. So here B is equal to 4 upon A, which belongs to Q star. B is equal to 4 upon A is the inverse of A. Now next we will see the composition table. So composition table, a binary operation on a finite set can be defined by means of a table called composition table or Cayley table. So it is the best way of describing a binary operation on small set. If G has set having element A1, A2 up to so on An with binary operation star, then composition table is given by, so here total there are n elements, so here star is the binary operation and total elements A1, A2, so this is first A1, A2 up to so on, here AJ up to so on An, and here is again A1, A2 up to so on AI, and this is again An. So the composition table, so A1 star, so here operation is star, then A1 apply star, then on A1, so we will get A1 star A1, so A1 star A2, here we will get A1 star A2, here again A1 star AJ, and here A1 star An. Now for second element A2 with A1, we will get A2 star A1, A2 star A2 up to so on A2 star AJ up to so on A2 star An, and so on. Here AI star A1, AI star A2 up to so on AI star AJ up to so on AI star An, and continuing in this way. So finally An star A1, An star A2 up to so on An star AJ, and finally An star An, which is the composition table. Means the first row is the heading row and first column, so this is first row is the heading row and first column is the heading column. So AI star AJ is the entry entry at the intersection of AI star AJ. So here AI and here AJ has entry AI star AJ. So at the intersection of ith row and jth column. So AI star AJ is the entry at the intersection of ith row and jth column. So this composition table which is used for solving example, if you have given composition table to find it is associative or not. So let's see the examples. Let's see this example. So here given composition table, we have total 3 elements in this sets A, B, C, and this is the composition table we have given already. So A, B, C and A, B, C has given B, C, B, A, C, B, C, B, A. So to check this operation is commutative and find out the values of A star B star C and B star A then star A. So here, so to check commutative property, so we know that from given operation table, so to check commutative property means first, now let A star B, so here A and here B, so A star B has value C, so A star B each is C, and B star A, so here is B and A, B star A has value A, so here A is not equal to C. Now A is not equal to C means what? A star B is not equal to B star A, means operation is not commutative, therefore star is not commutative. Now next, to find value A star B star C. Now to find so A star B with star C is equal to, so A star B, so A and here is B, A star B has value C, so which is C, so A star B has value C, C star C. Now C star C, so this is C and here is again C, C star C, so which has value A. And next, to find out value of B star A, which is again with star A, is equal to, so B star A, so B and A, so intersection of these two, so we will get value A, so B star A has value A with again A, so A star A has value B. So this is values from composition table we have given. And also we see that, so it is not associative, and here A star B star C, which is not equal to A star B, sorry, here A star B star C, because here A star B has value C with C, so C star C has value A in LHS, and on RHS, so A star, so B star C has value B, and A star B has value C, so A is not equal to C, means what? A star B star C is not same as A star bracket B star C, means star is not associative, and also star is not associative, right? Okay, we will stop here. Now in next lecture we will see definition, groups and abelian groups.